Hi, my name is Blaine from Garmin Product Support, and today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries on your vívofit 4. To begin, you'll need your vívofit 4, a Phillips screwdriver, and two new SR43 batteries. Start by removing the vívofit 4 from the band. Now, take the Phillips screwdriver and begin removing the screws. Once the screws have been removed, go ahead and remove the old batteries. Once the old batteries are removed, go ahead and insert the new batteries. Ensure that the negative side is facing the inside of the front cover. Also ensure that the gasket is seated and not damaged. Now attach the housing of the unit. Now you can go ahead and tighten the screws. Make sure that the screws are tightened firmly and equally. Then begin inserting the vívofit 4. Be sure that the lines line up with the lines on the band. And that's it. For more help, go to support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.